Automatic placement of 3D parts inside the build volume, so-called nesting, is a major topic in additive manufacturing. Over the past year, we have tackled this very problem and we have worked hard to develop our own solution. Today, we are happy to launch our high-performance nesting algorithm. 3D printing software often demands a lot of manual tasks from its users. 3D objects have to be placed, oriented and moved to use the print range in the best way possible. Far too often, this process leads to mediocre results with precious printing time and material going to waste. With our Sintrotec nesting solution, we are convinced to put these tiring puzzle games to an end. Once the 3D models are imported into the Sintrotec central software, the nester analyzes and distributes the parts automatically inside the S2 build volume. The users can choose between several configurations to optimize for different goals like highest packing density or desired part orientation. Not only does the Sintrotec algorithm solve these calculations much faster in direct comparison with market leaders, it also sets new standards in terms of packing density. The unprecedented packing density that our nester achieves, combined with the power of our Sintrotec S2 system, opens up completely new possibilities for additive manufacturing. By means of our nester, you can achieve a higher throughput at a lower cost per part with less material and printing time going to waste. So, upgrade your Sintrotec Central software today and bring your 3D production to the next level. In the near future, we will present the Sintrotec nesting solution and all of its features in great detail. For now, visit sintrotec.com/nesting and be among the first to get your hands on this powerful software.